In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MT5 onto Google Sheets to log trades automatically. We'll build a simple pipeline so your trades flow from MetaTrader 5 straight into a Google Sheet, creating a live trading journal you can analyze anytime. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new spreadsheet. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. On the first row, add your headers: date, symbol, buy, sell, lot size, profit, and balance. These labels will act like anchors, helping your script place each incoming value in the right column. Next, in that same sheet, go to the top menu and choose Extensions, then App Script. This opens the editor that will power your connection. You'll see some default code. Replace it with a simple web app script designed to receive web requests and append the received values into your sheet's header columns. Keep the field names consistent with your headers to avoid mismatches and don't include any sensitive details. When your script is ready, deploy it. Click Deploy, then New Deployment. Choose Type, Web App. For access, select Anyone so MetaTrader can reach it without needing to sign in. Confirm and copy the web app URL. Treat this URL like a key. Keep it private and store it somewhere safe. Now switch to MetaTrader 5 and launch the platform. You'll need an expert advisor or script that sends trade data out via web request. Many lightweight EAs can capture trade events and post them to a URL. The important part is that it sends the fields you created, like date, symbol, direction, lot size, profit, and balance, so your sheet stays neatly organized. Before the EA can talk to Google, allow the request in MT5. Go to Tools, then Options, then the Expert Advisors tab. Enable Allow Web Request for listed URL and paste in your Google Apps script URL. Click OK to save. With that in place, attach your EA or script to a chart and start trading as usual. As trades open or close, the EA will send entries, profit or loss, lot size, and symbols directly to your Google Sheet. You'll see new rows appear automatically under your headers, building a clean, time-stamped record without manual typing. Finally, keep an eye on your trading journal in Google Sheets. Use filters or basic charts to spot patterns. If nothing shows up, double-check that the EA is running, that the URL matches exactly in MT5's allowed list, and that your web app is deployed correctly. Once connected, this setup saves time, reduces errors, and gives you a reliable, always-on trading log.